Want to create a stunning Facebook cover? Here's how to do it with Befunky. First, open Befunky and upload the image you want to use as your Facebook cover. Click on the resize option in the toolbar and set the dimensions to 820px by 312px, the ideal size for Facebook cover photo. Once resized, use the text and graphics option to add custom elements like your name, quotes, or any other design you want. You can also enhance the image with filters or effects to make it stand out on your profile. Once satisfied with your cover, click Save and choose the desired file format, JPG or PNG for the best quality. Keep text and important details toward the center of the image to avoid being cut off by Facebook's layout. What kind of cover photo do you have? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.